Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if your airpods are not showing up in your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to fix this problem, watch this video till the end, and here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem for you. So guys, the very first solution is that you will have to simply restart your device for one time, and then you will have to check if the AirPods are appeared in the settings or not. So guys, just restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and after this go for the second solution if it doesn't work. So guys, the second solution is that you will have to simply reset your AirPods to factory settings. So guys, for that, open the case of your AirPods, and from here you will have to simply press and hold the button of your AirPods for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPods will be reset to factory setting, and then check if they are appeared in the Bluetooth settings or not. So guys, reset your AirPods to factory settings and check if they are appeared in the settings of your iPhone or not. So guys, after this go for the third solution. If you are still facing this problem, that is, you will have to simply reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, for that, just open your settings on your iPhone, scroll it below and tap on General, and scroll it below and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and again tap on Reset and tap on Reset all settings. So guys, from here simply give your passcode for your iPhone and reset all settings on your iPhone, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.